So everyone, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, in today's lecture, we will be covering two topics. First is mathematical operation in Python, and second is conditional statements in Python. So, first is mathematical operation in Python. Now, I am using different editor today. So basically, what is mathematical operations? Basically, mathematical operation is such type of operations that we usually perform in our normal days life, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. These things we will be covering today, and we will be practicing on these topics. I asked I asked all of you. I think I asked in on Friday that you all need to practice on the previous topics. I hope you all have already practiced on the previous topics. Is it have you guys practiced?
Yeah.
Can I ask someone any question if I want?
Yes.
Okay. So can anyone give me the answer? Who found who developed the Python programming language?
Good one, Roshan.
And the next question is, and which was the year Python was developed, initially launched?
1989.
1989.
1991.
Yes, yes, it is 1991. And which one of list and tuple we will use if we want not to mutate our data?
Tuples.
Tuples. Okay. So, does tuple allow mutation? I think all of you can answer. And can we add elements in tuple if we have already created a tuple? Can we add elements in tuple?
No, it's unmutable.
No.
Yeah. Can we use nesting in tuple? All of you can understand what is nesting? Hello? I think all of you understand what is nesting in tuple or list or dictionary. I think I given you example of nesting in all of this.
Yeah.
So which data types we will use for storing values according to their keys?
Dictionary.
And does dictionary allow nesting?
Yes.
Okay, I think so. We have today 17 of the candidates. So can I ask from anyone? I think this is Charu. Charu, can I ask ask question from you? Are you audible? Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, I think have you attended all the class?
Yeah, I attend all the class.
So what is dictionary? Can you explain me?
Dictionary, it stores the keys and values.
Okay, basically dictionary stores value according to keys. So And okay, I think I should ask from this is Praduman Kuswaha. Praduman, have you attended all the classes? Okay, I think yeah, this is uh, Shreya. I think Shreya was answering already.
Yeah.
And this is Nagesh Bhavani. Nagesh Bhavani, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, I think you also have answered to questions already. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, this is Sresti. Sresti, have you attended all the classes?
Yes, sir, except first one.
Okay, except first one. So, can you explain me what is list in Python and where we should use list and what is the syntax of list?
So list is which is order and changeable.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
square brackets we used to write square brackets.
Okay. Okay. We will use square brackets in case of list.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. It is good. And can we add elements in list? It is mutable.
Yes, sir. So,
Okay.
so and we separated by comma. Also, elements are separated by comma.
Okay. Okay. So, uh, okay, it's fine. And I should ask from others as well. This is Sweta Lathe. Sweta, can you listen me?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Sweta, uh, can you explain me? Can we use indexing in case of dictionary?
Indexing.
Have you attended all the
Yes.
classes?
So the question you are asking that I have attended from the half, so I don't know much.
Okay. Okay. It's not an issue. So, do you know what is indexing?
Yes, sir.
What is indexing?
So the numbering we are allotting for the elements.
Basically, numbers get automatically allocated. Okay, and we basically
Ye-
retrieve element based on index from list
Yes,
or
sir.
tuple. Okay, so I think all of you have answered correctly, and some of you have I think not attended all the classes, so that's why maybe not answering. So everyone, we have left 3 weeks, and I hope that you all practice. Uh, you should give time lots of time. I think we have 3 weeks, and we can. This is a basically beginner course, and I want I want you all practice and make this beginner course advanced. So if you practice well, I can transform this into advanced. Okay, and Python is really a very good programming language and very well demanded programming language. So all of you should practice lots. Means you should give time. It means don't just don't think that you need to just get a certificate. Treat it like as a programming language. You can do anything. Even Instagram was initially written in Python. Backend of Instagram was written in Python, and you can assume how much powerful is Python. So I am starting the today's class, and today's class topic was. Um, Today's class topic is mathematical operation in Python. So, and I think all of you have already read Simplicity. So it is, I think it was in class 5 or class 6, below class 5 or class 6. And I think all of you know basic addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, and exponent, and quotient, remainder. I think all of you all of you know it already.
Yes, sir.
So basically, these things we can do in Python, and I will be giving you example. So actually, I should explain first this. So mathematical operation in Python. So these are some symbols we will be using in our program, and that's why I am explaining this first. So the first symbol is addition. So okay, I'm starting from here. So the first symbol is exponent. I think all of you know power. If I ask what is 2 to the power 3, I think all of you know it is what is it. So is exponent basically have two variables. First is I think it means if you are writing a to the power b, then a is here 2 and b is here 3. So it is written as 2 double star 3. So it is treating like 2 to the power 3. So answer will be what? 8. Hello.
Yes.
So and the next thing is next operator. These are called operators, and next operator is modulus operator. So it is difficulty. So I'm starting from addition. Okay, it will be easy for us if we start from addition. So I think all of you know addition, and plus symbol is used for addition. And not in Python, it is used in all of the programming language. Plus is universal, and it is used in any of programming language. And in Python as well, it is plus symbol is used for addition. So if we have two variables, first is we have not variables, we have directly numbers, and if we write 2 plus 2, what will be answer? 4. And similarly, subtraction, minus symbol is used for subtraction, and 5 minus 2 will be 3. And then second, multiplication. So for multiplication purpose, star symbol will be used. And if I ask 3 star 5, what will be answer? 15. And the second and the fourth one is division. So division is what? I think all of you already know division, and division is performed using this forward slash symbol. And if I ask you what will be the answer of 22 divided by 8, I think all of you know already 2.75. So the next operator is quotient and remainder operator. Okay, it is performed using double forward slash operator. And if I ask you, I think this symbol is called backward slash, maybe, but only focus on the symbol. And if we so the answer and you can see that the answer of division will be what? It is a float or integer?
Float.
It is
Float.
float. And answer of 22 and quotient operator 8 is equal to what? If we
In
divide 8 by 22, what will be quotient?
Int.
Yeah, answer will be 8, answer will be 2. And if we divide 8 by 22, answer will be let's suppose what will be the answer. uh, so 822 divided by 8 will be what? 2.75. But you are getting what? You are getting you are getting 2, means it is excluding the decimal factor. Okay, what it is doing, it is excluding the decimal factor. Basically it is called it is called as truncation, means we are truncating the decimal factor. So the answer of, so this operator is what? Quotient. Similarly, percent symbol is used for remainder. So if we divide 22 by 8, what will be the remainder? I think all of you know. 6.
6.
So this is, so the answer is 6. And similarly, I already explained exponent operator, and it is performed using double star symbol. So the next thing will be what? If we have already read operators, mathematical operators, then what will be the next thing? The next thing will be, I think all of you heard Bodmas rule.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So the same thing will be applied here also. There will be some order of evaluation of the operators, and that will be similar like Bodmas rule. I think what Bodmas rule said, what Bodmas rule says. First we perform what? Brackets, and next we perform what? Off, and the next will be division, then multiplication, and then multiplication, addition, and last one will be what? Subtraction. So that same thing is apply here also. And there are lots of more operator. I will not cover all of this, and I will give you some notes for that, and you can practice on that. There are lots of operator, but these are core operators that we will be using in lots of parts of our program. That's why I am using these 7 operators. So we start practicing on this. So first operator is what? First operator is addition. So addition operator symbol is plus, and let's, we have two numbers, 2 plus 2. So what will be the answer?
4.
4. And
4.
yeah, 4. And suppose we have two, this mathematical operation will allow in case of string also. I think I have already told you that we can add two strings. So let's suppose that we have uh, Mukesh plus Mani. We can take the answer. Suppose that print Samman. So addition not only applied, can applied on numbers only. You can apply this on a string also. We can apply addition on float numbers also. If we have 2.75 plus 0.75, so what will be the answer? Answer will be what? 3.5. So we can perform addition in case of float also, and we can perform addition in case of list also. Let's suppose that we have two lists. First one is 1 2 3, and second one is 4 5 6. 4 5 6. We can add two list also. So the answer is what? 1 2 3 4 5. List means we are getting a list having the elements. First elements will be 1 2 3, and then second elements will be what? 4 5 6. So this addition operator is very universal, and it can be used in different type of data types. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
So The next thing is subtraction. Subtraction. In the spelling is correct. Subtraction. Minus symbol will be used. Okay. So, what will be the syntax? A minus B means A will be the first number and B will be the second number. So, let's suppose that we are subtracting 3 minus 4. What will be answer?
1 will be the answer.
Or minus 1?
-1.
So next we can we perform subtraction in case of a string?
No.
No.
Suppose that we are writing, what we will get? Syntax error, unsupported operator. We cannot subtract a list. Okay, and similarly we can suppose that we have two list and we are subtracting it. We cannot subtract list. So only we can use minus symbol in case of integer or float numbers.
Integers.
Yeah, integer and float numbers also. So if we have 3.5 minus 0.5 or minus 4, we can use a combination of integer and floats also. Okay. So first answer is minus 1, second answer is what? Minus 1.0. And the next operator is what? Multiplication. Syntax for the multiplication is star and A star B. Okay, A star B, print 2 star 3. So what will be answer?
6.
6. Similarly, 5 star minus 7. So no, here if you are writing 5 star minus 7, so what?
-34.
Minus 35. In 0.75 star 0.5, sorry, 0.5 star 3. So the answer will be what? 1.5. Is it clear, everyone? No.
No.
Uh, Now, in case of string, we can also use multiplication. Suppose that we have A, B. Suppose we have A and we are writing A star 3. Then what will we get result? Suppose I am commenting this.
3 times A.
3 times A means multiplication can be done in case of string. So if we write A star 3, so answer will be triple times 3 times A. Similarly, if we write A B C and star 3, what will be answer? 3 times repetition of ABC. ABC, ABC and ABC. Okay. Now the next topic is division. So the syntax of division is what? A divided by B. So First example is print 1 divided by 0. What will we get? Can we divide any number by 0?
No.
So what
Infinity.
should, yeah, what should be answer? Suppose I am skipping this. First I am giving you some valid example. 1 divided by 2. So what will be answer?
0.5.
And if we write print 2 divided by 1, what will be answer?
2.
2 or 2.0? What should be
2.0.
answer? So 2.0. So answer of division will be also always a float number. Answer of a division will be always a float number. You can check the type 1 divided by 2. What it is telling you? Float. You can get the type of any operator by typing type and a divided by 2. Suppose that we have a is equal to 2 and type of a will be what? Suppose I am commenting this. If I have a is equal to 2 and type of a will be what?
Int.
Int.
Integer.
It is clear. Int. If we have a is equal to 2.0, what will be type of a? Float.
Float.
Similarly, if we have a is equal to 1, 2, 3, what will be type of a? List.
Yes.
List.
List.
List. So you can use type for getting any for get the type of any data type in case of Python. And so our topic was division, and let's we, we are taking more examples. Suppose that we have a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4 and c is equal to a divided by b. So print c. So what will be answer? A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, and C is equal to
0.75.
yeah, A is equal to B is equivalent of what? First I am running this program. So A divided by B is equivalent of what? 3 divided by 4. So the answer will be 0.75. And the next topic is exponent. Exponent was what? Syntax was A star, A double star, B. It's clear, everyone? So exponent was what? I think we are, if we are writing a, suppose that I am referring power as some symbol, and let's suppose that that symbol is basically not present here. Yeah, suppose that we are writing a to the power b as a power b. So it is equivalent will it is equivalent of what? A double star b is equivalent of a to the power b. So suppose that we are writing 2 double star 3. What will be answer?
8.
8.
8. And if you, I think in case of exponent, A and B are called as, A is called as characteristic and B is called as mantissa. I think it is called as characteristic and mantissa. Do you know this thing? Is okay, avoid this. I think maybe it is different. So let's focus on this only. So if we write print 4 double star 5, can anyone answer me? Now can you answer? 4 double star 3 is equivalent to what? 4 to the power 3, and it is 64.
Yeah,
So the answer
64.
will be 64. Now the next topic is uh, quotient operator. Okay, so quotient operator, it is referred as double star symbol if syntax will be what, a double star b, and if we print 4 double star 3, what will be answer? Sorry, 4% 3, so what will be answer? Can you answer?
1.
1. So similarly print 7d, 7% operator, then 3, what will be answer?
2.
2. So you can see that answer is 2. And the next thing is remainder operator. So remainder operator, or it is called as modulus operator also. Okay, and it is performed using percent sign, a percent b. Syntax is what, a percent b. Suppose that we are writing print 2 percent 3, what will be answer?
2.
2. Similarly, if we write print 5% 4, what will be answer?
1.
1.
1. Similarly, if we print 4% 4, what will be answer? 0. Now I think all of you understood this, and we have covered all the basic operators in Python. So now we will be giving I will be giving examples of some simplification. Okay, simplification means where we will use combination of these operators. So suppose I am asking you print 2 plus 2 minus, so what will be answer here?
-1.
Minus 1. And next, anyone can anyone predict different answer? What will the answer of 2 plus 2 divided by 2 minus 3?
0.
0.0.
0.0. Yeah, it will be 0.0. Now, suppose that I am giving example 2 plus 2 star 2 minus 2% 2 and double star 2. Can anyone give me the answer of this? Suppose that we are using here divide by 2 star 2. So now Anyone give me the answer of this? So think of Bodmas rule. Bodmas rule says what? We have three operators. We have four operators here: plus, minus. Please mute your mic. Okay. Actually, it is echoing. So we have four operators here. First is plus, and then star minus means we have four operators here. So the Bodmas rule tells what? First we perform division operator. So this is equivalent of what? 2 plus 2 star 2 minus 2 divided by 2 will be what? 1.0 star 2. So the next Bodmas rule says after division multiplication will be performed. So now we will perform this multiplication. So 2 plus 3 star 2 is what? 6. Then minus 1.0 star 2 is what? 2.0. So
Sir,
and the
sir, question is 2 into 2, but sir is doing 3 into 2.
okay. Here will be so 2 star 2 minus 1.0. Yeah, it is correct. So here will be 4. So 4 minus 2.0. So now it will be equivalent of what? Now Bodmas rule tells after multiplication addition will be done. So 4 plus 2 6 minus 2.02. So answer will be what? 4.
4.0.
4.0.
Suppose I am commenting this line. Answer is what? 4.0. So the same word mass rule is also applies here, and there are some more topics that we will cover. There are some more operators that we will cover in I will give you some notes for that. So now I think all of you will be now able to perform any mathematical operation. So the next topic is the conditional statements in Python. So conditional statements is what? I think I already explained you. Conditional statements are those statements which are bound to any condition. Condition means what? Any condition like greater than or equal to or less than. These are conditional statements. And in I think I have given you example in Boolean operators. So yeah. So in Boolean operators example, I told you that Booleans are only used where there will be any condition. So conditional statements is performed. Uh, let's suppose we are comparing two numbers. So what will be the comparison between two numbers? If they may be equal, first number may be less than second number, or first number may be greater than second number. So these are comparison. These are comparison, and these comparison are called as conditional statements. So similarly, these conditional statements in Python is used for the evaluation of some. Suppose that if we have some program, okay, we want that if some condition is true, then we want to perform this statement, and if the condition is not true, so we will perform another operation. Let's suppose we have two numbers. first number is a is equal to 1 and secondly b is equal to 2. So I have written here the program. If so, the first don't go for this syntax. I will explain what is this syntax. Suppose I am applied here some condition, and what is that condition? If a less than b, then print a is less than b. Else, what? Print a is greater than b. Either a will be less than b or a will be what? Greater than b. These type of programs are called are created using conditional statements, and conditional statements the and this is the best example of conditional statements. And what will be the flow of the conditional statements? So this will be the flow of the conditional statement. First, we will have some condition. That condition is called as test expressions. Text expression is here what? The condition. So condition will be what? Either true or condition can be what? Either true or
False.
false. So if the condition will be true, we want to perform this statement. This rectangle is referred as some statements. Okay, so we want to perform this statement if the condition is true. If the condition is false, we want to perform this operation, and after that we will have some line below of it. So the statement just below of it, don't focus on it. Only we are focusing on if test expression will be true, then this part of the this part of the program will be executed, and if the condition will be false, this part of the program will be executed. And this flow is similar in all of the programming language. It can be, if you take the example of C, Python, C, Java, or any programming language, this logic will be applied everywhere. So is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, and all of you can understand this image?
Yeah.
So if you understood this image, so you can understood this statement also. So here what here we here we were test expression. So this in this case test expression is what? A less than b, and we are writing if a less than b, print a is less than b. If a less than b, we are writing if a less than b is true, body of if is what? Print a is less than b, means it will print a is less than b on the screen. And else if this condition is true, this line will be printed, and if it is not true, so this block will be evaluated, and this block tells print a greater than b. I think it is clear, everyone. And the syntax of conditional statement is this: first you need to write if, and then condition, and then you need to write body. So body is what? In the body you can write whatever number of statements, whatever number of conditions you can write, and then you need to write else. If you want, you can skip this. Suppose that we want to perform some operation if it is only true, and we don't want to perform any operation in case of false condition, so you can skip this. You don't need to it is not mandatory that you need to write this. So you can write only if a less than b, print a is less than b, and you can skip all of this line, all of this statements. So now it will be clear if I will give you some examples. So condition statements. So the syntax is what? Why I am using hash sign here? Can anyone explain?
Comment.
Yeah,
Comment.
this line will be treated as comment. So I'm using this. So we have two variables. A is equal to, suppose we are writing very basic if example. So very basic very basic if example will be what? If true, then print hello. So this condition will be always true. We are writing what? If true means, if true is a value. True is not any expression. True is a value. So value of expression is what? True. So print hello. So it will be always printed. Answer will be what? Hello. And suppose we have two variables, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and we are comparing a less than b. If a less than b, so print hello. Suppose we are changing the message, print a is less than b. What will be the output? If a less than b, this condition is true or false?
True.
False.
True.
True. So it will be printed a less than b. So you can please focus on syntax. Syntax is what if is a keyword. So you need, it is mandatory that you need to write if. And what are keywords? Actually, I didn't explain you keywords. Keywords are basically conjured words that you cannot change and you cannot create variable of it. Suppose you are writing if is equal to 2. Suppose we are writing if is equal to 2. It will give you syntax error. Syntax error what? You cannot assign a value to any keywords. Is it clear, everyone? So if is a keyword are conjured words. Everyone note down. If, else, list, set, these are, and there are lots of example, etc. These are keywords, and these are the keywords, and you cannot use these as what? Variables. So similarly, if is a keyword, and no, actually we were focusing on syntax. So the syntax is what? If, and then condition. Condition is what? A less than b here, and then a full colon here. It is a colon, and then this is the body. In body you can write. It is not mandatory that you need to write only one line. You can write more than one line. Suppose we are writing here a is less than b, b is greater b is greater than a. So the answer will be what? If we run this program, a is less than b and b is less than a. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So if you check the flow of this program, first what will happen? First, the program will compare this a less than b. So a is what? 1 and b is what? 2. It is equivalent of what? True. It's equivalent of what? True. So the program is doing what? Program is replacing this 1 less than 2 by what? By what? True. Let's suppose to make this more clear, I am giving you I'm creating a second variable, a less than b. So what will be the value of c? Can anyone say me what is the value of c? Suppose I am commenting this line. What is the value of c?
True.
True. Suppose I am printing this print c. So what will be the value of c? True. So program is doing what? First it is evaluating this condition. This condition is what? A less than 2. And this condition is what? Is equivalent of true. And the program is replacing a less than b with what? True. So if true, then print this. Means this is happening inside the program. You can evaluate this by the same. Actually, we have actually we had previously a less than b, and that expression we are storing the value of that expression into another variable c, and I am writing here c, and c is what? C is equivalent of a less than b, and it is equivalent of true. So you can check the program's output. See, you can use either a less than b, or you can use c here. C will be first converted to a less than b, and then a less than b answer is true. So this block will be printed. And now I should give the example of else statement also. Suppose that we are writing here, if a less than b, then do this. Otherwise you need to write else here, and then this is syntax, else and then colon, and then you write to print a is greater than what? B. So what will be the output of this program?
A is less than B and B is greater than A.
Yeah, the output will be, suppose that I am commenting this print. So, and removing this. So the output will be, if you are getting confused with this, I am running this program. So if a less than b, print a is less than b, and I am assigning these variables here. Suppose so a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and a less than b is true. So this block will be printed. And now let's suppose that I am changing this value by 2 and by 3. So what will be answer? So a is 2,
Same.
a is 2 and b is 3. So 2 is less than b. So this block will be printed. Suppose that I am writing 2, a is equal to 4 and b is 3. So what will be the output now?
A is greater than B.
Yeah, it is very easy. A is greater than b. Suppose that I am writing here a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 3. What will be the output?
A is less than B. B is greater than A.
Do you think this should be output? A is less than b is correct if a is equal to 3 or b is equal to 3. So nothing will be get printed. Okay, it is printing nothing. Suppose that we are printing a, what it is printing. Okay. Actually, a is less than b will be not correct. Means 3 is less than 3. It is not correct. 3 is basically what? 3 is equal to 3. So first statement is not correct. So else part will be evaluated. So it will print what? A is greater than b. Actually, we don't want to. This is, suppose that we are printing here welcome. Suppose here we are printing here welcome to read my course. So what will get printed? Welcome to read my course. So A less than B, so it was what, 3 less than 3. 3 less than 3 is not correct because 3 is equal to 3, not 3 is less than 3. So this line will be get printed. Is it clear, everyone?
Yeah.
Now, suppose that I am commenting this and I am giving you some another example. A is equal to ABC and B is equal to CDA and A. Print, sorry, if lane of A greater than lane of B, in welcome to Facebook, else print welcome to read my course. So what will be the output here?
Welcome to read my course.
Welcome to read my course. Why? Len basically calculates the length of the string. So length of the
Welcome
string,
to Facebook.
yeah, welcome to Facebook. So let's suppose that we are explaining this program. I am explaining this program. Lane of A tells the length of A. So the length of A is what?
3,
Length of A is 3, and lane of B means length of B. So the length of
4,
B, there are
4.
4 characters in. So length of B is what? 4. So 3 greater than 4. It is not it. So first lane of A is equivalent of what? 3, and lane of B is equivalent of what? Equal to 4. So 3 less than 4. Sorry, 3 greater than 4. This condition, this expression is what? Lane of A greater than B, so lane of A is 3 and lane of B is 4. So this is equivalent to 3 greater than 4. So this 3 greater than 4 is not correct. So what will be get printed? Welcome to read my
Ready for
course. So I am commenting this part. No, run this program. Welcome to read my course. Now, if A, B, C is equal to A, print hello. So, what will be the output of this program? If ABC is equal to A, means we are comparing ABC value of ABC then simply, and A value of A is what? Value of A is what? ABC. So these both are equal. So what will be output? Hello, because
Hello.
this condition is true. So output will be hello. Let's suppose that I am changing this ABC, means I basically change small c by capital C. So ABC is equal to A. So this statement is not correct. Why? Here we have AB and capital C, but here we have small c. So this condition is not true. So what will be the output? Empty. There will be no any output.
Okay.
There nothing will be printed. Is it clear, everyone?